Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Story. Today I'm going to tell you a beautiful story. A story about how small steps can create big changes. This story will help you learn English in a fun and natural way. So, relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. There is a young man named Ravi. He lived in a small town and worked in a grocery shop. Every day felt the same. He woke up early, went to work, came home tired, and fell asleep. But deep inside, Ravi had a dream. He wanted to speak English, get a better job, and move to a big city. He tried many times to study English. But after a few days, he gave up. He thought, "It's too difficult. I'll never be good at English." Maybe you have felt that way too, haven't you? One evening, Ravi was sitting alone in the park. He saw an old man reading an English newspaper. Curious, Ravi asked, "Sir, how did you learn English? It looks so hard." The old man smiled and said softly, "I learned it one page at a time." Ravi looked confused. "What do you mean, one page?" The old man laughed gently. "Every morning I read one page. Just one dot, not 10, not 20. One page every day. Small steps, my boy, small steps." Ravi went home that night thinking about those words. The next morning, he opened a small English book. He read just one page, the next day, another page, and then another. At first, he didn't understand many words, but he didn't stop. He underlined new words and repeated them aloud. He started watching short English videos on YouTube. He listened and repeated, "Hello, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." Simple sentences, but every day he got a little better. Ravi started feeling proud. He was learning something new every single day. 3 months passed. Ravi could now understand simple conversations. He started talking to customers in English. One day, a customer said, "Your English is improving." Ravi smiled. He realized something powerful. He didn't need to be perfect, just consistent. After 6 months, Ravi applied for a job in the city, a cashier job at a supermarket. The interview was in English. He was nervous, but he took a deep breath and spoke slowly. When the manager said, "Congratulations, you're hired," Ravi couldn't believe his ears. He did it one small step at a time. Now Ravi lives in the city. He helps others learn English too. When people ask him, "How did you learn English so well?" he smiles and says, "One page a day, one small step at a time." So remember this, my friend. Don't worry about how far you have to go. Just start where you are. Read one page. Speak one sentence. Watch one video. Because small steps every day lead to big success one day. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English with Story by Rita for more easy and inspiring English stories. Remember, keep learning, keep growing, and take your small step today. See you in the next video.